Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we will learn together how to access the clipboard and view what has been copied on your Android phone. Some people may not know that Android phones have a dedicated place where you can see all the text or links you've previously copied. So if you have copied something and want to retrieve it, it's very easy. Start by opening any app that allows text input, then tap on any empty space inside the text box to bring up the keyboard. Next, click on the arrow on the left side, pointing to the right, to open the options menu. When the menu appears, look for the clipboard icon, which you will usually find next to the GIF option, though its location may vary depending on the type of keyboard. If you don't find it right away, tap on the three-dot icon to search for it among the other tools. Once you find the clipboard icon, activate it by tapping on the Turn on Clipboard option. Now you will see a list of the most recent items you have copied, and you can edit any item by tapping the pencil icon, delete it, or even pin it to the top if you use it frequently. You can also disable this feature when needed by turning it off. And that's it. This is how you can easily access everything you have copied on your Android phone.